Welcome student. In last period we have seen a data structure binary tree. Now we are going to see representation of binary tree in memory. Representation of binary tree in memory. So representation of binary tree in memory. How to represent a binary tree in memory? Representation of binary tree. We know that whenever we study any new data structure, at that time we also see how to represent that data structure. How data can be organized in computer's memory, that is called as a data structure. And since a binary tree is a data structure, we have to see how the binary tree can be represented in computer's memory. Binary tree can be represented in computer's memory by two ways. Number one, sequential representation. Sequential representation. What happens in sequential representation? First of all, we will see one binary tree. That binary tree is E is equal to A plus B minus C minus D whole square. So this is the binary algebraic expression. Binary algebraic expression. Any binary algebraic expression can be represented in the form of tree. So tree will be division of left tree plus of A, B. A plus B divided by whole square of minus. Now you see, this is one level. Division of A plus B divided by raise of 2 of what? Of minus of C and D. So this is the tree diagram for that. Look at the binary expression. A is equal to A plus B divided by C minus D whole square. A plus B divided by C minus D raised to. Now, how to represent? In sequential representation, how it can be represented? Let T be the binary tree. Now this is the binary tree. Then, in sequential representation, root is always placed at 1. Root A, we can say. Root of tree is placed at arrange 1. What exactly mean by root is placed at? Okay, first of all we will see that. Sequential representation of T, it uses single linear array. In sequential representation, it requires one array. Say name of the array tree. Now we will draw this array. Name of the array is tree. Now look at this, what we have done. We are studying representation of binary tree in memory. Number one, sequential representation. This is the expression, binary expression. E is equal to A plus B divided by C minus D whole square. This is the logical diagram, tree diagram. A plus B divided by C minus D raised to. Now, this is the array. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 locations. Root must be placed always at 1. A. Root of tree is placed at. Root of tree is stored at. Is placed or stored. Is stored at. Where array's first location. Name of that array is a tree. So first location. So division is the root. It is placed at 1. Root of tree is stored at. Tree is 1. B. Left child is placed at the node n occupies tree key. The node n. If node n occupy trees K. So what is K? Then K is position of its left child. Then K is position of its left child. Now, root of tree division is stored at array's first position. Tree is 1. So tree is 1, it is 1. If node occupy tree is K, then K is the position of its left child. Who is the left child of division? Plus. So K, if node occupies tree is K, then K is the position of its left child. Left child is plus. So here plus will be given. Why? Because K is the position of its left child. Tree is 2. Tree is 2. This is the array tree. It's 2, second position, plus. C. If node occupy trees to K. Trees K. Then trees K is the position of its left child. So here if node occupies trees K, then its left child is stored at trees 2K. Then K is the position of its. Here we see that if node occupies trees K, okay, then its left child, if left child is stored at trees 2K. C. If node occupies trees K, then its right child will store at trees 2K plus 1. Now you see representation of binary tree in memory. Binary expression E is equal to A plus B divided by C minus T whole square. So how the diagram is shown? division of a plus b divided by c minus d whole square. Now we have to represent it. First, sequential representation. Okay. In sequential representation, it requires one element, say tree. So this is the tree. Number one, root of tree is stored at tree is 1. So tree is 1, root is placed. Now division. If node occupies tree is k, division occupies tree is k. Suppose k is 1. So then its left child is placed at tree is 2k, where k is 1. 1 is division, then its left child 2k, 2 into 1, so here is. If node occupies tree is k, division is the node occupies 1, so k is 1, tree is k. Then its right child is stored at tree is 2k plus 1, 2 into 1, 2 plus 1, so its right child raised will place at here. Now question arises. Plus is k. Plus is the node. Plus is the node. Its position is 2. So k is equal to 2. We are finding the location of A and B, who are the childs of plus. Plus is the node. Its position in the array is 2. So k is 2. If node occupies tree is 2, yes, node occupies tree is 2 plus node occupies, then its left child A will occupy tree is 2k. So k is equal to 2, 2 into 2, 4. 4 will be given to A. K is 2. Why k is 2? Plus is the node, 2 is its position, so k is equal to 2, then its right child plus right child, that is B. Its right child will be stored in tree is 2k plus 1, so k is equal to 2 into 2, that is 4 plus 1, 5, so B will be placed at 5. Now what about the raise? Raise is right child. Okay. Right child will place at 2k plus 1. Right child of root. Root's position is 1. 1 into 2. 2. Plus 1. 2 plus 1, 3. So raise is occupied at 3. So raise is the node. 3 is its position. K is equal to 3. So if node occupies tree is 3, if raise node or node called raise occupies k, that is third, k is third, then its left child will be placed at tree is 2k. So his left child minus. So k is 3, 2 into 3, 6 will be given to minus. Raise is the node, position is 3, so k is 3, then its right child will stored at 2k plus 1, so 3 into 2, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 will be given to 2. What about the division? Minus is the node, 6 is the position, thus k is the position. So its left child C will occupy tree is 2k. So it will occupy at where? 6 into, that is 12. So we will see this 8 dot 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 11, 10, 11, 12 like this. So it will occupy the position 12. And tree is 2k plus 1, that is 13. 13 will be given to D. So this is the key. Why 8, 9, 10, 11 are not having any node? Because if 8 is the position, it will be given to child of fourth location. Fourth is A. A is not having any child. 9, right child of A, but no child to A. 10, right child of fifth, that is B, no child. 11, right child of B, no child. That's why. So dot dot dot, we have made this 10, 11, 12, 13. So this is the sequential representation, the simplest. It requires only one single linear array. Okay, once again we will see this. Now let us see once again. Take once again same expression. E is equal to mc square. Draw the diagram. M multiplied by C rays. Multiplication of M with rays of C with 2. Sequential representation. In sequential representation, we require one array, say 3. So this is 3. 3. Root of 3 is always placed at 3 is 1. Root multiplication placed at 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Node occupies 3 is K. Star occupies 1. So K is 1. Then trees 2K will be position of its left child. Star whose left child is M. Star whose position is 1. So 2 into 1, 2. So M will be placed at 2. And 2K plus 1. Star position is 1. K is 1. 2 into 1, 2 plus 1, 3. So rays will be given at 3. Rays whose position is 3. So K is 3. Rays whose position is 3, its left child is C. So C must be at 2K. 3 into 2, that is 6. C. Rays position is 3, K is 3. 2 into 3, 6 plus 1, 7. 2 will be placed at 7. Now why 4 and 5 is not there? Because 4, that is 2K. Or 2K is equal to 4 or 4 is equal to 2K, then K is equal to 2. So who is at M? So 4 is cancelled because there is no child. 2K plus 1 is equal to 5. So K is equal to 2. That's why this is blank between no child. Now once again we will see. Suppose I draw a left child, say X. What X will get position? X is left child, so it must be placed at 2K. Its parent position must be K. Its parent is C. Position of C is 6. That's why 6 into 2, 12. X will be placed there. So this is a sequential representation. Now there is a linked representation also. In linked representation, what we are going to see? B. Linked representation. Number 2. Number 2. Linked representation. Linked representation. Number 2. Linked representation. Linked representation. Now we will see in linked representation what happens. Once again we will see same expression. E is equal to A minus A plus B divided by C minus D whole square. Now first of all draw the tree diagram. Division of plus of A plus B divided by raise of minus of raise of what? 2 of minus of what? CB. Now in linked representation it requires 3 arrays. It requires 3 arrays. 3 arrays. Say info, left, right. Also it requires one variable called root. Now we have variable. So it requires 3 arrays. So 3 arrays will be there. What is the name of first array? Info. Second, left. Third, right. Right. And one variable, that is root. Now in linked representation, how many elements are there? E consists of A, B, C, D plus minus raise division. A, B, C, D plus minus division raise 2. So put any element in there. A, B, C, D plus minus raise division 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 elements are there. So in linked representation you need not to place the root at first. Who is root? Division is the root. Location of division is 8. So here 8. So 8 is here. 8 root 8. Yes, 8. Its left child plus the position of plus is 5. You have to put here 5. 5. Division root 8. Root is placed at 8. Division. Its right child is raise. Raise whose position is 7. 7. Now raise or take plus. Plus position is 5. Left child is A. The position of A is 1. So here you have written 1. B right child plus right child. Right child of plus is P. So plus is placed at 5. Right child is B. So here you have to write 2. Raise at 7. Left child is minus. Minus position is 6. Here 6. Raise right child is 2. Right child 9. So here is 9. Minus position is 6. Left child C, position of C is 3. Minus, position is 6. Right child is D, position is 4. Now once again question arises, why there is left and right cells are blank or arranged left and right, where first positions are blank, because A has no left and right child. B, left and right child positions are vacant because B has no left and right child. C and D both are also not having childs. Plus, whose left child is at 1, plus whose left child is at 1, that is A, plus whose left child is at 1, that is A, plus whose right child is at position 2, B. Yes, B is the right child. Raise, place next one. Raise, whose left child is at 6, minus. So you see, minus. Raise, whose right child is at 9, 2. Yes, 2 is its right child. Minus. Info, minus, load is minus. Left child is at 3, C. Yes, C. Minus, whose right child is at 4, D. Yes, right child. So that's why obviously this will be blank. So here, parallel linked representation. So these two representations are there, and there is one last article, that is records, and that we will see later on. Anyhow, this is the end of data structure chapter, we can say approximately. A record is there, but that is a very small article. Thank you.